didn't see you there. Well, while you're here, why don't I show you around a little bit? So, nice spacious bathroom, lots and lots of storage, great shower capabilities with your vanity, and of course your tankless water heater. As we move out into the main area, you do have your 12-volt refrigerator with freezer. Don't forget to keep the party going with your Bluetooth stereo system that is good inside and outside. Be sure to show you that when we get there. Your microwave, range hood, 2-burner stove, more storage, seating and dining for 4, which is great for if you do make some friends while you're on your way. As we come over here, we have our overbunk storage, beautiful north-south bed with additional storage underneath, room for all your goodies, nightstands with 110 power for your CPAP or cell phones. Don't forget, all of our trailers are coming with solar, already equipped. So as you come out in the morning, don't forget to open your awning, maybe get your tunes kicking. As you start your new day camping, bet you're wondering what beautiful trailer you were looking at. This is going to be your 183 rear bath Jay Flight, +1 selling travel trailer line in almost 20 years. Always don't forget a Jayco comes with a standard 2+3 year warranty. This can be all yours. You can make memories with the family or leave them at home. That's up to you. Don't forget to call Josh at Valley RV Supercenter, 253-737-2082. Look forward to hearing from you. Let's go camping.